Hi there, I am Michele Tangorra from Vineview Trio. We are three guys from Puglia, me, Francesca Ardito and Simone Garofalo. I am an automation engineer specializing in cyber-physical systems, while the other two teammates are from agriculture sector. Francesca is close to her master's degree and Simone is a PhD. We presented our idea in field monitoring with spectral data. So our aim is to employing machine learning algorithms with the uses of both land data and satellite sources. We are so glad to be here because this event allowed to be in touch with so many people from different backgrounds, and it proves to be very stimulating for us. Thank you.